What I want to do is I want to show you how to do a screencast. Now, right now in my office at home, I have the iPad laying on a table. I'm using a camera to record this so you can see my movements. So when you receive the iPad, what you need to do is you need to activate the screen recording or the screencast. To do that, orient the iPad this way. Use your finger and then slide down. You'll see that there's no buttons here to record the screen. So tap on the screen, tap on settings, scroll over, and then there's the control center. And then over here, you'll see that you have screen recording. You can use your pencil if you want. Voice memos, that would be interesting to have. And then you can slide up like that, and then it just goes away. It's still there if you slide up here. There it is. And then if you flick it, now you quit the app. Now, if you go back with your finger here and slide down, I have my recording, screencast recording. If I click and hold, I have a few items here that it's asking where to save it. I'm going to save it in Photos. And then this button, sometimes if you press and hold on it, sometimes it's like this. So if it's not pressed, it's not going to record your voice. So I'm going to press and hold, and there it is. And then when I'm ready to record, I'm going to press start recording. And when I press start recording, then what's going to happen is it's going to give me a little timer, and then it's going to be ready to go. So let's do that. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on start. See, it's timing. So I click here. Click here again. Here you can see that I am recording, and I'm recording the screen here. So I'm still using the microphone that I have here in my room. And what I'm going to do is we're going to do some magic here, some editing magic. What we're going to do is we're going to slide into the iPad. In the iPad here, you can see I'm recording the screen, and I can go to different places if I want to. I can click on the web here, the Safari. I can type in a place that I want to go. I can demonstrate that to my students, right? And there it is. I can, demonstrate how to log into Beachboard, or maybe there's some special page that I want to show people. So you're hearing the audio that is recorded in the iPad. And so it's different from the recording that I have into my microphone, because they're different types of microphones. So one great thing about screencasting is that you can, and again, I just slide my finger this way to have the Safari here and quit. One great thing about screencasting is that you can use a program like, let's see, OneNote. You can click on OneNote. And if you don't know how to use OneNote, there's a few videos on internet.com. And also if you call the help desk or your college technician, they can give you resources on how to utilize OneNote. But here, OneNote is connected to my OneDrive. So I'm going to click on the plus sign, and we're going to do, let's say, equation of a line, let's say, right? Enter. And then here's the title. And I can use my pencil. And I can draw. Now, I'm going to orient this way so I can write on it. But on the video, let's look at how it looks on the iPad screen. So as you can see, I'm using the microphone on the iPad. And there might be some external noises, and you have to always look for these external noises, rustling of papers or different things. I think if you click on this arrow here, it extends it out. So I can click on draw and then choose the color that I want. And I can start talking about the equation of the line, right? Y equals mx plus b, right? Where this is the slope. This is the y-intercept. And yes, you can hear me tapping on the screen. It's one of those things that you can't really remove from the audio. But the great thing is that I'm recording on my tablet. And the great thing is everything is included with with your mobile teaching kit. You have the pencil, right? And then you have your tablet. And as long as you're logged in to OneNote or OneDrive, everything will be saved for you automatically. And so again, I'm doing this screencast, right? And I'm talking about the equation of the line, right? And then I can talk about the slope, right? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? And you can continue on. You can paste things. You can erase things. The great thing is you're recording on the iPad. And then when you're done, you can go here on these arrows and you can now share this page with your class and you're on your way to do the next page. So that's a wonderful thing about the screencast, is that you're utilizing the technology in the iPad so that you can record the screen. Now,